Greetings everyone. In my last tutorial, I talked about adding a contact to Act. It was very simple. You went to Contacts, New Contact, it gave you all blank fields, you entered your information in, and you were good to go. That created the contact. But it's not unusual for people to have external data that they want to bring into Act. How would you do that? Well, you would want to save that as a CSV file. And if you have your data in Excel or Google Sheets or something of that nature, it's very easy to do that. A lot of times it's just doing a save as and saving maybe an Excel spreadsheet as a CSV file. Having stated that, the way you would do it is this. You'd go up to Tools, you go down to Import. When you come to this box, you're going to navigate to where that file is located. Now before this class, I did a file on my desktop and I called it contacts name John May, and I'm going to click on Open. Now that it's there, I'm going to click on Next. I'm going to use Custom to go through and look at it. I can also do duplicate checking. I'm not going to complete this, so I'm not going to worry about that right here. But as a rule of thumb, if you're not really sure about the quality of your data, I bring everything in and deal with it inside of Act, unless it's an extremely huge data set. Having said that, I'm going to click on Next. I'm going to click on Next again. And now we have what's called mapping. These fields are fields that were in the spreadsheet, so they map up 100%. When you are importing data, one of the first steps before you even get near this point is going in and interpreting the spreadsheet data, the CSV file. And that CSV file, you want to make sure if you have a unique field in that spreadsheet, for example, let's say there's a field in there, the person's favorite ice cream, and then the field is called favorite ice cream. Well, if we don't have a field in Act to hold that data, we either have to create one or put it someplace temporarily. So the first step is really looking at the Excel file, this CSV file, and learning about the data, interpreting it, and making sure things are designed in the spreadsheet in a way that it's easy to import into Act. So there's multiple steps. And frankly, when people do this, I always recommend they get help importing that data because there's a lot of little things you have to consider. After you go through that, I'm going to click Next. It's going to ask me, what do I want to do? Do I want to merge some of the information if I am matching? Again, this is sort of a hard call because it just depends on how your data is designed and set up. Sometimes I'll merge it, sometimes I won't. I'm going to click on Next. And at this point, it will tell me what's going to happen. If I click Import, it will import all the data. Now, I'm not going to take that last step, but having shown you how to do this, the main point I want to make is you have the ability to import data into Act. And that's what I want to let you know about. My name is Tony Holtz. Thank you very much. Be well.